the morning checking out Mossman Gorge and the Daintree River.
And now we're headed deeper into the rainforest.
Kiwi. Can't forget them.
Our tour guide Richie is taking us on a hike at the Noah Valley Rainforest Reserve. A lot of epiphytes. Many millions of years ago, Australia was warm and humid and rainfall was plentiful. During this time, rainforests thrived in places such as the Uluru region. As Australia became more arid, there were fewer and fewer places rainforests were able to survive. In the Daintree region, however, the climate and topography were ideal, so the area became a last remaining refuge for rainforest. From the dense rainforest and mountain ranges to fast-flowing streams, waterfalls, and gorges, the Daintree Rainforest has striking diversity. From ground cover up to the canopy, there are plants everywhere. Buttress roots are needed to provide extra stability because the roots of tropical rainforest trees are not very deep. So dark.
Isn't it? Camera actually thinks it's at night time.
I love those plants with the giant leaves.
Has it got its host tree there or not?
Maybe it's taken over.
Yeah.
There's another gardenia fruit.
Oh yeah.
After our hike, we enjoyed a barbecued lunch with damper rolls and tropical fruit. The lunch spot was in a private tree sanctuary surrounded by ancient rainforest. colorful cassowary is one of the most recognizable icons of the wet tropics. The flightless birds, or ratites, were some of the earliest types of birds to evolve.
Cassie, and there's one over there as well. Oh, there we go. Now that's unusual, by the way, what you're seeing right now, two adults together, highly unusual, and that probably means one of these is a girl and one's a boy. And this is probably mating at the moment. We're probably coming to the interview right now.
Yeah. A whim
I think
away,
so,
a whim
yeah.
away.
There goes the other one.
Oh yeah.
Large, the males have a very defined, smaller territory, and the females have a much larger wandering one. But that's rare as rare as rare. You just don't see that. Not two adults together, it just doesn't happen. The only time it gets happening is when they're happening. You know what I mean?
This species is one of the earliest known lineages of flowering plants. The poisonous seeds are thought to have been dispersed by the now extinct Australian marsupial, which had the appearance of a giant wombat.
Yeah, Kiwis are crazy. Oh yeah.
Oh, I do see one. What are we looking for?
Really bite me.
No, not like that, he won't. Yeah, give it a big lick now. Big lick on the bum, just on the bum.
Oh yeah.
Should taste a
Lemony?
bit like lemony.
It does. Do you want to lick?
You got one? Hey, big lick, big lick. Yummy.
Bit sour.
Bit sour. The green tree ant's abdomen is high in vitamin C and protein and tastes a bit like lime.
This traditional source of bush tucker has been used as a remedy for coughs, colds and fevers. I could use some now. I really liked the wattle seed. It had a hazelnut coffee taste.
Jackfruit ice cream has a similar flavor to juicy fruit chewing gum.